Let's learn how to record mobile screen on Samsung Galaxy A03s mobile. In this Samsung Galaxy A03s mobile have not received default screen recording option. So we want to download third-party application for screen recordings. Let's learn how to do this. Go to your mobile Play Store and search here DU Recorder. By using this software, we can record our mobile screen easily. Now I already installed this application. You can install it. After you can open it. In the first opening, you want to enable permissions. You can enable it like this. After press back button. You can click on OK. You should want to allow this all instructions. Okay, now we can record our mobile screen. You can press this red icon on bottom right corner, or you can press this middle icon record button. Our recording is starting now. You can click on start now button. Okay, now my mobile screen is recording. Okay, to stop this recording, you can press this ball icon and click on this stop icon. This is our recorded video. You can view the recorded video. Open this DU Recorder application. In here, you can see the recorded video. It is recorded in high quality with sounds. In this method, you can record your mobile screen. If you want to change this video resolution and FPS, bitrate, click on this ball icon and go to settings. In here, you can change the video resolution, bitrate, frame rate, video orientation, audio source, and lot of options have on this application. You can customize as you like.